Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
So today we're going to do a tutorial on the Jack Frost Home Depot animated
6 foot.
6-foot Christmas.
It says indoor use only, so we have a covered porch. So what we're going to do is put him outside. We've purchased some blue lights, some of the snow fabric, kind of set it around, get him a little icy corner over there to stay in. So
and we'll show you what we do with it. She'll put that on the video at the end, and we're going to take it out and set it on the porch and kind of the stuff that we've already done with it. And
he stayed in our garage last year and he worked fine. So
yeah, and they are still selling that this year.
Yes.
That's why we're doing the video on it for anybody that wants to get it, and they are starting to mark them down. This is the end of the second week of
and they
December,
are starting.
so
Home Depot's already starting to mark some stuff down.
In case you want to get one before it sells out.
Yeah. I personally like the Scrooge. We don't have no room for it.
Well, we might have to make room for it if it goes cheap enough and they still got them. You never know. Now, one thing I will tell you, ours did, and I don't know, but this is like the Frankenstein, and it's a rubber texture. When we got our guy out, his nose was folded over where they stuffed him in the box, and it didn't want to come back. So I squeezed it together and took a potato chip bag and clamped on it and left it like that for a little while, and it finally straightened out after I did that.
You can tell it's still a little crooked, but looks better than what it did. Whew, just glad there wasn't a mouse in there, because you ought to done seen my big butt running out through here.
You'd have done broke something back here.
Oh, I'd have done knocked you and this tree down. Get out of my way.
Yeah, that's the only bad thing about these boxes with the hose in it for the handles. If you don't tape them up, very easy for mice to get in them.
Yep.
So,
and this is,
display goes down front. You'll see the little spacers for the shoes where they lay in it. So that goes towards the front. And then you got B's.
Yeah, your base is A, then you'll go with B.
And put your shoes on next.
Your shoes are C.
And these are very simple. And you got D next. Both of them are D, so you can't really put it together wrong. And then put his pants on next. And make sure you find his tag in the back. Make sure you get
I did. I'm just hoping I get my hands through here. I don't have something nibbling back on.
We'll make sure his zipper's in the front. He might need it.
Yeah. Chill. Oh, wait. I got in too big a hurry.
What'd you do?
Well, it's okay. You can put these on.
And then put the leg.
I forgot his leg. Yeah, his leg fluffers.
Yeah, you probably should put the foam pieces down over top of it first. Yeah, we did forget that. But you can slide it down if you do forget.
And just pull his pants up over it.
Just pull his pants up over it. So we got this on. Now we're ready to start putting his midsection on. And of course, these has got the pins in them, so you really can't turn it the wrong way. Pretty simple. The worst thing about these is they're kind of twisted, so you got to kind of twist and get it in there a little bit. And push both your pins in and push them down. There we go. Then we can go on and connect this one. So there's 2 wires and one plug-in. It's got a red and a black plug on it. And then the other 2 wires for his sensor. All right. Get his shirt on. Well, I think you can put these on, put his arms on.
Well, you can do yours. I'll have to slide mine up the sleeve of it.
And this is K on the right side and I on the left. We're going to put one of those orange in it. All right, so now we're putting the other side in, slide it in. And then just pull it up. We leave enough room to get his head on. And then slide his hands. And all they do is just drop down through the little holders, and then you got Velcro that sticks on the top.
Don't forget a sensor. Yeah, don't forget to connect your sensor wire.
Got that. Now we'll just need to put his head on. He got a hairdo look like Jim's when she gets up out of bed sometimes in the morning.
It'd be bad. That's why y'all see my hair in a bun 90% of the time.
And these just have two little prongs too, just like the hands and the arms. And it just kind of slides down in it.
As far as your connectors, you're just color coding them, red to red, black to black. And I shall do the finishing touch because everybody needs a scarf with his ensemble.
And then you got the collar on this jacket or a shirt that buttons up at the top, and then you got a couple little Velcro pieces down. You can leave the bottom ones undone until you get your charger plugged in and
keep his neck warm.
Oh my Lord!
Oh, here.
So it looks good. All you gotta do is plug your charger in, and you're good to go. All right, guys, we finally found the cord to put on him. So we're gonna turn it on and let y'all hear. He does say 5 different phrases.
Sensors underneath his butt.
So I have come to bring you a winter wonderland with extra frostbite.
And don't forget, if you do buy one, you're putting them together, and you put the scarf on and he's not working, check and make sure it's not the scarf.
Yeah, because I almost messed up and covered his scarf over it.
Will be absolutely covered in snow. When you freeze over, I'll be sure to carve you into a beautiful ice sculpture. How about a swan?
And actually, last year, I decorated him up for Halloween when we got him early, and we went and decorated up. We put a vampire jacket on and a hat on him. And
I'll put a picture in the video.
So he can pull double duty if you need to.
This is no place for a
And it didn't look bad.
Like yourself. Soon, you'll end up a frosty popsicle like me.
Now we just...
No, attractive. Get it?
We just turned his volume down, and since his eyes were glowing, that's how we did it for a vampire. We tried teeth.
Yeah.
But it's freezing, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Just as I like it. Frozen to the bone. Ooh. I guess you could call me a pretty cool guy. Aw, guess you didn't like that joke, seeing as you're frozen in place.
Now, one thing we did have a problem with, or not really a problem, but if you do turn him down, his volume, you do hear his mouth.
Turn it down.
Moving. It's kind of, you can hear it making noises as it's moving. So, and some of the other animatronics that we bought does that, but
that drives me nuts.
that's the noise I hear when Jen's hollering at me half the time.
Really? It must be all you hear. You never respond. Well, you didn't tell me that.
So, other than that, though, that's really the only downfall to him. We like him. I mean,
I like him.
He's easy to put together.
Prop.
You know, if you got a good setup or got somewhere you want to put him and have him, then it's not bad at all.
Yeah, he's a fun prop. I like him.
So, all right, guys, let's take it outside and we'll do our little setup and show you what it looks like with the way we're setting it up.
All right.
All right, guys, so we brought him out. We got him setting up. As you can see, we bought a set of cheap icicle lights from Walmart, right?
Is either Walmart or Big Lots?
I thought these was the Walmart ones,
Maybe.
I think. But, and then we also got the blue, just regular Christmas lights, and we kind of laid them out around the bottom. She is getting her...
I went and bought just one of the little $4 snow blankets at Walmart. $4.
And we're just going to lay them around his feet and wrap it around the back with the lights going through it. That's the way we did it last year, and it looked really good.
We did have some stuff still up here on the porch. So in order to fix that, I had white tablecloths.
From what, the Dollar Tree?
From the Dollar Tree. So we just threw that over and it looks like a snow mound in the back. I do have some other plans. I have not.
I'm gonna tilt this down so y'all can kind of see how she done it. Just make it look like he's standing on some snow.
I just lifted up his boots. No particular order and put it down there. But I do have other ideas. The Dollar Tree sells those snowflakes. Just hang them with fishing line. Hang them down here. We actually we haven't dug them out just yet, but they are
the round Christmas balls.
Round Christmas balls, and they're ice blue, just like these, and they'll hang down. So we'll probably put them out here with him too,
if we can find them.
Yeah, if we can find them. But you know, turn him on, and I'll give him a close up.
It's freezing, isn't it? Just as I like it. Frozen to the bone. I guess you can call me a pretty cool guy. Aw, guess you didn't like that joke, seeing as you're frozen in place.
All right, guys. We think it turned out great. Go out and get you one. It adds to our display and stuff. We haven't went down to the road and looked at it back up on the porch, but last year we actually had it in our garage, so this will be the first year we did it on our front porch. And
yeah, and like I said, I'll be adding more lights and stuff to kind of brighten this corner up a little bit. I guess with the blues and stuff. But anyway, I think he's a cute display, especially for outside on the front porch. We do have our Home Depot nutcrackers out here too, but we're still finishing up decorating the front porch. Do look forward to, we will be doing like a tour like we did at Halloween. We'll be showing a walkthrough of everything.
We've got quite a few videos that we put on here that we did for Christmas, and we'll do a total that we've done too.
Yep. So. Well, hope this helps in case if you was kind of on the fence whether you actually want to get one. He reminds me of the Scrooge. I can't give any reviews on the Scrooge yet, but he reminds me a lot of the Scrooge, just what we've seen, but I like him. I think he's cute. I like his little sayings, his phrases, and you can do so much with him as far as backgrounds, setting him up. But again, like I said, he is supposed to be indoor only, but we have it under a covered porch. But
so it should be fun.
Yeah. Yep.
All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. please like, share, and subscribe. And we appreciate y'all tuning in and watching. And especially for the ones that stay to the end, if you have any comments, please leave them below. Jen will get back with you, and we'll discuss it if there's something on there. But if not, y'all have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.